In a 5, 4, 3, 2, hit it. Ooh. Yes. Yes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of a ring light, and I'm excited, so if you are too, stay tuned. This is a 19-inch ring light from IVISII. I'm gonna call it IVISII. So this is the actual box. Okay. So now let's open this up, see what we have. Okay, first I see a carrying bag, which is nice with the handle. And this must be like the tripod. Okay, let's just open. You always want to make sure you look at everything, because you don't want to like miss instructions or miss a piece of the equipment. So just be sure to check everything, okay? So this is the tripod setup. So I like this. It has an adjustable strap that can be a shoulder bag if you choose to loosen it up, and then this also is, you can carry it like a brief. Okay, so we're just gonna pop this open. Ooh, gotta be careful. And let me look in here. This is padded in the inside, which is nice. And this is the huge ring light. All right, so my little things are popping off. I'm not sure why. I'm just gonna pop them back on. All right, so this is the ring light that was sent to me from Fave Package, but the company is called IVISII. And I do want to put a disclaimer out that the ring light that I'm using currently is also from IVISII, but I got it off of Amazon. And the other ring light does not have this digital feature in the back. It's just blank in the back. I'll try to show you guys in a second. So when I plug this in, I'm gonna see how to use and work all of these features, because I'm honestly not sure. But my current ring light is from this company, so that sounds like, oh, another ring light. So I'm excited to see the brightness, the quality, and everything else. So let's continue to break these packages open. And I'm also going to show you guys how to set it up, but there are step-by-step instructions. So yes, let's start setting this bad boy up. Luckily, this is very similar to my current ring light, so it shouldn't be an issue. However, I guess we'll just see. First, I'm gonna go ahead and screw the ring light. These you fold out. And then you just go ahead and tighten it wherever you like. Each of these 3 rows can move up. So this is the one that I'm gonna hold up just so you guys can see it. Okay. So you want to loosen it, make sure it's in there all the way. There we go. And that is on. Then you want to tighten it so it stays and it's sturdy. This part here will adjust it. so it fits in my head, okay? And we're gonna leave this here. All right, I'm gonna move this to the side. This piece here, we're going to loosen up down here. And then the square, we're also going to loosen. And I loosen both. So there's a little bit of room there that I'm going to slide into this part here. And tightening it to my liking. Okay, so now this is on here. Let me drop this down some so you guys can see. So this piece and the other piece can also go in here because it has that cube, and that's how you know it can just go ahead and slide into this area, depending on what you want to use. I'm just gonna put this piece right on top of here. So for this phone area, you can either do it this way to do TikToks or Reels or take some pictures for IG. And then if you turn it this way, your camera will be the long way to record on YouTube. And then whatever way you would like it, you adjust this piece here, you twist it, and then it'll just stay in place. And this is very free wherever I want it to be. I twist this piece and it stays in place. All right, so we have this part ready. Next, I'm going to plug these pieces in to see what the lighting is like and how to work the back. So this piece just fits right in here. If you can see that, it fits right there. This gets plugged in here, and then you plug it into a port. Let's see what this switch be like. So, can you guys see? Oh my gosh, this is bright. The digital settings. I'm not sure how to work this just yet, but I am gonna show you the brightness. So with these, you can just turn it, but look how bright that is. Oh my gosh, and then look how it looks on me. Let's take this out for a minute. This is with just the lighting in my room. And now I'm gonna show you what it looks like with the lighting from this new one. 3, 2, hit it! Ooh! Yes! Yes! Oh my goodness! This is... I just want to give you guys a close-up and a backup because this is what I mean. This is what I talk about. And let's adjust the lighting here so you guys can get a full effect of the dim down and to bring it back up. What are you doing this slow? Yes. And of course, when you have both the lights, it's definitely brighter. This is a before with this ring light. Before, okay? This is with this ring light. Stop playing with her. Don't play with her. Yes. Ooh. Okay. Yes. So let's try to adjust these settings. I'm gonna show you guys this back part while I get to adjusting it. Okay. So I'm just gonna be dimming it. This is with no light at all. And this is brightening it up. Ooh. And as you see, when you do that, it changes. So let's play with some more details in the back. We have the CH detail, which is already set to. And I'm not sure what this detail is. 50%, 100%, 50%, 100. I'm gonna leave it at 100. Oh, this is like you can slowly adjust it. Okay, another thing I want to point out is down here, I couldn't see it before, but all of these are different letters, A, B, C, D, and each one you can adjust. So each one is a different type of lighting. So depending on what channel you're on, but as you can see, A has the highest level of lighting, 4,700. All the other ones are 4,000. So yeah, that's another cool detail. Let me go ahead and switch these lights so you can get a difference and see what they be like. Okay, so this is already way brighter, and this is just on setting A, 100% highest lighting. This is for like a battery pack. I don't use it because you can just plug it in. So this is like the lighting that I was talking about. When I push this back, you probably can't tell. Let me let it go dimmer. So you see how this one has like the bally balls everywhere? That's what the light is. My other light, the one that Faith Package sent me, is just a huge light. There's no little beady beads. And so I think because of that, it makes it brighter. But I wanted to show you guys this detail because I think that affects the level of brightness. But this is like a 2-in-1 kind of special. So this is the back to the other light, and again, they are both 19-inch. However, the light that I was just sent is digital in the back, and this just has one setting that you can adjust from here. Okay, so I'm so excited to now have 2 ring lights, but I did want to show you guys both options. This one, of course, is going to be cheaper, and like I said, I got that one off of Amazon. So what did you think about the ring light? Me personally, I love it. I love that there's more settings with this light. I also love that it's very similar to my other one because it helped with the setup, tear down. You guys can see how easy this is to figure out, and the package does come with instructions. I want to thank Faith Package for sending me this 19-inch LED ring light. This is IR 45, and the other ring light I have would be, I think, IR 65. Check the website. You'll see they have 3 ring lights listed. The third ring light, which is the most expensive, comes with a remote and different cool settings of the light, things that come off. I don't know what they're called. But yeah, check out their website. They have microphones, ring lights, tripods, some soft boxes, anything you need for content creating. Head there, they have you covered. I love that this is not only perfect for us YouTubers, but also for TikTok, Reels, pictures, anything, you will be set. My first one is very similar to the second one, but each one offers a different step, which is why they become more expensive. But this new ring light, I love. It is definitely better than my first one. It's brighter, and again, it has more settings. So yeah, but I'm glad that I was able to show you guys both. That way you can choose what you would prefer to buy. Their link to the website will be in my description box. You know I always have a promo code for you guys. I'll put it here, and I'll also put that in the description box so you can use whenever you're ready to check out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.